Hello, everybody. Welcome to this very exciting talk. But there's always times in your life we have to make decisions. We get confronted by things, and you wonder, should I not? And you ask, is it the right time? Is it the time for a change or not? And I'm going to share with you things that happened to us and made us decide to make changes to our lives. And for example, why I am here tonight is I met people who introduced me to this. At first I said not interested, but once I got involved and started to see the differences in my life and the family's life, we got excited about it, and we now want to help other people. Just a disclaimer, the first part of the talk is from a primary healthcare perspective, so please, these are from recommendations, suggestions, and stuff we've come across and we've seen the past more than 5 years. And these are things I would follow. And these do not replace a doctor's prescription, nothing like that. These are, like I said, from a primary healthcare perspective. Now, the state of our health. What is your health like? Now, before I started with this, I used to get throat infections 10 to 12 times a year. I had to use antibiotics 3 to 4 times a year. That happened for about 17 years until I started with this. For more than 30 years now, I have not needed any antibiotics for throat infections. And it's because I learned something about my health and health in general. And that made me decide to do certain things. And it's exciting what can happen if you make the correct choices. Nutrition matters more and more every day. Chronic disease worldwide is a crisis. It's increasing worldwide very fast. We've been told for many years that we should get most of our energy from carbs. Carbs is our main source of energy, and we must not eat certain oils and fats and stuff like that. And it turned out for the past 50 years we've been misled. I mean, remember we were told about eggs being bad for you, and then about 20 years later they said, no, you must eat eggs, it's actually good for your cholesterol. So there was a lot of misinformation, and that's why a lot of this has happened, this chronic disease increase. Now, according to the World Health Organization, 71% of all deaths globally are caused by chronic disease. And take note, up to 80% could have been prevented, delayed, or alleviated. Now, if you look at that, that means around 60+% of all chronic diseases could have been delayed, prevented, or alleviated through proper nutrition. The healthiest countries in the world, they swap around from year to year, but Spain, Italy, Iceland, Japan, Switzerland, Sweden, they're basically on top. The UK ranks about 20th, the US about 35th, and South Africa, well, below 150, so we're not in a great position. Cancer cases worldwide is rising, it's actually accelerating. Now, depending who you talk to, today 1 in 5 people will develop cancer, some says 1 in 2 even. When I was a child, it was like 1 in 20 perhaps, or 1 in 30 perhaps. So it's really scary what is happening in our lives with our health. And there are reasons for that. And we're going to touch on some of them. And that is why this opportunity is so important to me, because it's not only about health, but it's also about wealth, both factors. But we need to look at our health. And it's so important. And you see how this fits into the concept as I continue. People say I eat right. Well, in a study of 22,000 people, not one person got all 10 essential nutrients they needed from the regular diet. They checked for 10 specific ones, and not one of them got them on a daily basis. Sad. Our soils are depleted. 2 independent studies showed the dramatic nutrient depletion in our food over the past 50 years, plus actually now. In a serving of spinach, vitamin A fell by 30%, vitamin C about 53%. That's shocking and sad. And depending on which country you are, in the US, about 74% of adults take daily supplements, and most of these buy from mass market outlets. But should you buy in these big supermarkets and shops? It's actually frightening if you really go into the facts. Let's look at lab analysis here. People say, eat right. When I was a child, I could eat one orange. Now I must eat 8 to get the same nutritional value because of depleted soils. Apples are roughly, when I was a child, roughly about 1 apple. Today I need to eat 26 to get the same iron content. That is shocking, sad. No wonder chronic disease is on the increase. What is really in your food? What are you really eating? GMO foods. Now, I live in a country where we are one of the top GMO producers in the world. No wonder South Africa is 150 plus down at the bottom of the list of healthiest countries. Here's a study on rats that showed breast cancer, testicle cancer developing. Honey, that's not real honey. Okay. Let's see what else. Olive oils. Be careful of all these imported olive oils, especially these virgin olive oils from Italy. Many of these are just good enough to be used as shoe polish. Should not be used for human consumption. And farmed wild fish versus wild fish. Farmed fish full of toxins. Okay. They're fed with GMO foods and stuff like that, and antibiotics. But they're lower in omega-3 than the fish in the wild. Labels don't always tell the truth. Toxins in baby food. Arsenic, cadmium, lead, acrylamide at high levels in nearly 80% of infant formula and baby foods. No wonder there are so many children nowadays struggling with certain health issues, ranging from allergies, which can include asthma and all these things, and food intolerances, and autism, and just hyperactivity and all these different things. Because they are full of toxins. They fed toxins as babies already. BPA free isn't. Even health tests on baby foods show that the BPA free samples, actually 60% of them had BPA in. Even some organics. Shocking, eh? Non-GMO chips. Wow. That was a big joke if you think about it. It's actually sad. Because the packet says clearly non-GMO, but the chips 100% GMO. And the company who manufactured the chips won a court case because they said the labeling is for the packaging and not for the content. Can you believe that? That is ridiculous. I mean, if a consumer picks up a packet and looks at what it says in the packet, it is taken for granted that is the content, not the packaging. Look for third-party seals like these ones. Then you have got some guarantee that these products are better than the typical ones in the shops.
Here's a woman, Chris and Barbara met her, terminal cancer, fighting it the medical way for years. She starts looking after body, eating correctly, juicing, cooking from scratch. Here I am, I'm cancer-free for 36 years, and I'm still having vegetable juice every day. And we got onto a real good nutritional program, and there she is today, a tad different. Can you spot the difference? Ah, lost her. There you are. A tad difference, right? So that to me is really, really exciting.
What the testing reveals, hidden drugs in joint supplements. A product sold at Walmart listed omega-3, glucosamine and curcumin, but when it was tested, it contained undeclared anti-inflammatory drugs that are linked to heart attack, stroke and bleeding. A voluntary recall followed. Aloe vera with no aloe in it. Bloomberg News reported no evidence of aloe vera in the aloe vera sold at Walmart, Target and CVS. Shocking, says aloe vera, but no aloe vera. And there are many other studies that show products that says herbs in them did not contain the herbs. FDA finds hidden drugs in nearly 50 dietary supplements sold on Amazon and eBay. Shocking. Vitamin study. Look what happened here. The top 21 store-sold multivitamins. 11 of them, the ingredient labels were wrong. 3 did not dissolve. 1 contained lead. That leaves you with 6. These were supposed to be the best ones. And they were used in a study by US National Cancer Institute. Look what happened. The group that got these 6 supposedly best vitamins actually had a 32% increase in cancer compared to the placebo group. Shocking. Supposed to help you, but it makes you sicker. Reason, synthetics. Here's another one. This herbs like ginkgo biloba and St. John's wort and so those things, very often you find it tested that these are not in the herbs. Powdered rice, beans, peas, wild carrots, phyllis. I mean, shocking. I don't know how people can live with their conscience. It's all about money and not your health, in other words. Baby probiotics, tainted with E. coli bacteria. It took 19 months before it was recalled. Our children.
Still skeptical? All of these people were too.
I was a mess. I was 100 pounds overweight. I had IBS. I had high blood pressure.
I had severe hormonal dysfunction and everything else that follows that, which is depression, cystic acne.
If somebody got something, I got it. It didn't matter if it was a cold, a bug, a flu, whatever.
I had deep depression, crippling, debilitating anxiety, panic attacks, and became suicidal.
I struggled with adrenal fatigue, hair loss, leaky gut, and a hyperactive thyroid.
I still just had this lack of energy that was just exhausting. I experienced, like many other women, menopause. Entered into menopause, gained weight, had my cholesterol jump through the roof, and felt terrible.
My blood sugar the very first time I ever checked it was 550.
For probably 20 plus years, I was dealing with acid reflux and GERD.
I didn't want to spend any money on myself that had to do with health. I didn't think I needed it.
I had never taken a vitamin, a supplement, or anything of that sort before.
I was skeptical because I had tried so many other things.
The psychiatrist had me on 4 medications, which did not appear to be helping at all.
I tried medical doctors, I tried naturopaths, I spent thousands of dollars a month on supplements, and nothing worked.
I had never really thought a whole lot about the supplements that I was putting into my body.
My fasting blood sugars were always 350, sometimes they were over 400. I wanted to put this product to the test because I was a big skeptic.
I have lost 100 pounds. I have gotten off my blood pressure medicine. I can run, I can lift, I can work, I can play with my family, and be active with my kids.
2 years later, I have not had an ovarian cyst since then. I have lost 20 pounds. These products have definitely changed my life.
I feel like I have one of the most robust immune systems of anybody on the planet. And I don't suffer from all of the things that as a 50-year-old, my buddies, my colleagues are on. I'm on 0 prescription medications and I have one of the healthiest lifestyles I feel like anybody can have.
I'm delighted to be off the meds since they say right on them that they can cause depression, anxiety, and suicidal thoughts.
My adrenal fatigue is completely gone. I've had 3 babies in 3 years, healthy pregnancies, textbook labors, and I have so much energy.
I feel better now than I did 10 years ago, and feel like I'm reversing the signs of aging. My cholesterol dropped 48 points. I lost the weight that I had put on, but the best part was feeling well.
My fasting blood sugars that were, 350 to 400 sometimes, 146 in one day. I haven't been able to have a controlled blood sugar in 8 years. 30 days later, I found out that I had lost 10 pounds. And I cut the amount of insulin I use in half. I'm feeling great. I'm losing weight. My blood sugars are in complete control.
It has improved everything for me in the sense of I don't have the acid reflux. I am a skeptic when it comes to a lot of these things, but I am staying with this product because it has made a difference for me.
So, it's amazing what your body can do when it's given the correct nutrients.
We'd like the opportunity to introduce you This company's reputation for scientific excellence is so well established that their products have been used by researchers from the CDC, USDA, just to name a few. They are known in over 50 countries globally. They aren't interested in just closing a deal or only selling a product. They are committed to improving your cellular health through clinically proven whole food nutrition. They are a socially responsible company on a mission to make the world a healthier and happier place.
There are just some people who, by choosing the right supplements, change their lives much healthier than before. It's just fantastic what can be done if you make the wise, correct choices. Let's look at some criteria. You're looking for supplements that are made from human natural whole foods under pharmaceutical license, on which there were human clinical trials done, results published in peer-reviewed journals, and it carries a seal of accountability, a third-party seal. You want products like that. Here's one, for example, lipids and sterols. There was even a Nobel Prize awarded to scientists which showed that these lipids and sterols will increase the assimilation of nutrients into cells by up to 50% and detoxification of cells by up to 55%. And this helps to balance hormones, thyroid and adrenals, support sleep, energy, mental health, nerve transmission, and brain activity. And this is not in our food anymore. It has been removed from our food. Okay, there's just a study. The first study was done in the 1950s at Hollywood Presbyterian. That's why I'm showing this picture again. And then at the bottom, the beta-carotene increases lung cancer and heart attacks. That was a study on beta-carotene, synthetic beta-carotene, showing that synthetic beta-carotene is actually harmful. But take note of the following slide. Here's a natural carotenoid complex, because beta-carotene and all the other carotenoids. And research has shown it slows aging, it helps avoid colds and flu, lowers risk of abnormal cells, reduces cognitive decline, strengthens vision, helps protect the heart against cholesterol-related diseases by up to 500%. It boosts the immune system, but also stabilizes it as well. Okay, so it's just a fantastic product. Research is there, the evidence is there. And there's a graph just to show you that again. Okay, all this in just 20 days. All this from whole food supplements made from fruit and vegetables that are organic. This was published in many journals worldwide. Now another one, Salmon Oil Plus, contains all 8 omega-3 oils, cold extracted from a fillet of fish. It helps for your heart health, bone health, joint health, prostate health, brain health, better vision, fewer headaches and mood issues, better memory. But it's a natural product. Lowers inflammation by 68% in just 8 weeks. Tested for 200 plus impurities. Amazing that food can do this if you get the right nutrition in. Complete amino acid shake. All 22 amino acids. They're biologically complete. Contains vitamins and minerals, some fiber, some enzymes. Very important. It's Proteogard processed with the glycemic response control. That means your kidneys is protected. Your kidneys are protected. Glycemic response means diabetics can use it as well. Amazing if you use the right products what can happen. Helps the body with energy and focus, muscle growth and retention, weight management, tissue repair and easy digestion. Other shakes on the market, shocking what you find there. Collagen products full of heavy metals and other toxins, and other shakes you can see there also full of heavy metals and toxins. No wonder so many people using shakes end with kidney problems and other health issues. You must do your homework before you use a shake. Beyond supplements, let's look at beyond supplements. What about skincare? People are not aware that there are about 13,000 chemicals used in cosmetics. Only about 10% have been evaluated for safety. And these toxins that have not been tested for Many of them are linked to skin and allergies and asthma, liver, kidney damage and birth defects and so on. There is a range called Nutrams Organic Skincare range, got the Cosmos seal to certify it's 100% organic, made from seaweed extracts, botanicals and so on. There's a home care range, non-toxic, because vapors from cleaning products that people inhale actually cause disease, make them sick. People don't realize that. The home care products that we use are biodegradable, environmentally friendly, produced under very good conditions, so on, regulations, and saves plastic as well, because these are concentrates. But yet they're gentle enough that it can be used in the butterfly world, in the house of butterflies, for example, and also it's used to clean the oil-soaked penguins.
Hello folks, what a privilege it is for me to spend a few minutes sharing with you about the most incredible opportunity that ever crossed my path. I was 26 years old when they discovered I had leukemia. Newly married to a wonderful bride for about 2 years, had a little baby daughter, and I was desperate to stay alive. The next 5 years I fought my cancer the medical way. Well, after 5 years I was sent home to die. It was a really traumatic time in our family. And that's when we discovered what an incredible God we have with impeccable timing. Because He sent somebody across my path to teach me that the body is the healer. That we have to change the environment and our lifestyle. And the first thing that I changed was the supplements I was taking. And within a matter of days, my energy increased, my liver swelling went down, my leukemia count improved. And I wanted to find out more about this company with its incredible products. You see, I thought that all supplements were whole food supplements. I was horrified to discover what I was taking had either turpentine, petroleum, rocks or metal in. When I got into whole food, they changed my life. Then I started researching this company. Well, at that time, my wife and I, we had 4 companies in 3 different countries with about 200 staff. And the stress of that was also playing havoc on my life. And I was looking for an opportunity that had the benefits of this industry, but I didn't know there was an opportunity like that out there. And so as I researched this industry, I discovered, number one, this company sells to the world. That means you can have businesses around the globe. You're not based in one economy. Today, my wife and I, we've got income from 26 different countries around the globe. As I researched this industry, I discovered that you're wanting unique products. And the products in this company are so unique that there's not one other business on planet Earth that can serve you the quality, the ingredient, and the result that these products can supply. The next thing I discovered that you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. That to me was so incredible, because any other industry, most of them fail because of either lack of expertise or lack of income. And this business, you don't need expertise because you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Somebody's going to guide you and train you and empower you. At the same time, you don't need income, because this business will create its own income as you go along. You don't have to invest thousands into education and learning that you take out from your income that you're producing from this business. The next thing I loved about this opportunity was flexi time. It's a little hobby you start at spare time. And while I had my business of 200 staff, I started this up, and I actually could replace my income within a few years from this opportunity. Well, the more I researched it, the more excited I got about it, because I discovered there's no staff, there's no bosses. That to me was absolutely incredible, because I had 200 staff and I always wanted to be my own boss, but I didn't want the stress that went with it. I didn't have to have warehousing. The company does the warehousing. I didn't have to do the shipping. The company does the shipping. I didn't have to control marketing plans. The company controls all that kind of stuff. So here I was free to do what I was best at, and that was working with people. I just had to grow in that area. Well, today this business has allowed us to travel the world, to own ourselves. We've been full-time in this opportunity for close on 27 years. What an incredible opportunity that within a matter of months of getting involved, we could go full-time and earn a decent income out of this opportunity. Today, our children love the opportunity. Today I've got no cancer, I'm healthy, I've got incredible wife. My daughter today has got children, so I've got grandchildren from people that I thought I'd never even meet. And that to me is just so, so exciting. Here we are, we're sitting on the banks of the Tugela River in Southern Africa, having a great time with 20 leaders from around the world, all being rewarded for this incredible opportunity.
Now, why do we choose this opportunity? From my perspective, why did we choose it? The one thing initially was finances, not the health. The health actually kicked in later. But we were financially in a tight spot. Let me give you an idea. We had to make a choice one Christmas between my school clothes for Christmas or toys. We couldn't buy both for our children. So our 3 children had to be happy with school clothes instead of enjoying toys. So really, that's a tough decision to make for any parent. And we were faced with that decision. We needed a solution. We tried several things. My wife baked banana loaves for the home industry. She made tracksuits for children. My wife and I, we sold makeup. Yes, lipstick and all these things. I could have told you about crimson red lipstick and all these different things, okay? I studied further. I started with a master's degree. I started with a plant nursery. I went after hours. It was open after hours. And over weekends, I went to craft markets to sell plants there. All in an attempt to make a living. My master's degree would take me 4 years part-time for a small increase. But Chris and Barbara told us about this opportunity. We first said, no, not interested. It took them 2 years to convince us. Okay? They had a long-term vision. They shared it with us eventually. Because eventually we were prepared to listen. And then we started. And we never looked back. Within 3 years of starting with this, I took more money home with my hobby than with my teacher's salary. Now, let's look at this. This opportunity started in 1958 in the USA. Not a fly-by-night, in other words. In 60 plus countries. Fantastic. Means you can earn foreign currency as well. In other words, it's a long-term vision and record. Not a fly-by-night. That gives you security. Many benefits. Be your own boss. Free training and support. Save and make money. Unlimited income potential. Do it part-time or full-time. In business for yourself, but not by yourself. You can get holidays and rewards, and we have got some holidays, a couple of them already. It's exciting what can happen in this opportunity. And you can earn foreign currency. Very exciting. We all share great news, bargains and so on with friends and family. I mean, really, we've seen it so often. Just the other day, we were in the shops and there was some specials again. And I told some people about it. Because they were real, very good bargains. And now, you know what? Those people went to the shops to buy. The shops made the money and I did the marketing. But I got nothing from my marketing. Aye. But here, we work differently. Here, what must you do? We show others how to buy at a discount and save. Now, who doesn't want to save nowadays? I mean, who likes to go to the shop and walk out and say, I've been ripped off. Yay, happy, I've been ripped off. No, people want to save. They'd rather come out the shop and say, wow, I saved this money. This was a special. And that's the thing they like. So, let us show you and others how to buy at a discount and save. Cut out the wholesalers, the advertisers, the retailers, the reps, and so on, okay? This is normal business. Manufacturer on the one side, consumer on the other side, in the middle, a lot of other people, wholesalers, advertisers, distributors, retailers, and so on. Rather, cut them out, and you can buy at a much lower price, quality goods. That is why so many people buy online, like from Amazon and so on, to try and skip all the middlemen. Or they go to factory shops. Now, show other people how to use healthcare products, weight management products, home care products, skin and personal care products. Now, the healthcare products really got me hooked because it changed my health, and it can change yours as well. The home care is just fantastic. I know some people with fantastic testimonies on how it helped their health as well, and how they save money in the process. Like Amazon, deliver to the door of the customer if you want to go that side. But I'll explain this in more detail in a moment. Because there are some people who do not want to buy that discount. They don't want to register. They rather want to pay full price. No problem. They can buy at full price. Okay? Just like Amazon, you can sell and distribute your products directly. But how much can you earn? Very briefly, this is in rands now. Just an idea. 10 customers, 2,000 rand. 50 customers, 10,000 rand. If you build, but here's a clincher. Build a team of promoters, and just don't focus on customers, because this is where the money really lies. You'll see now in a moment, and you can earn much, much more than that. How do you earn? Let me explain. First, you save as you buy, because you buy at a discount, so immediately you've got extra money in your pocket. Saving is actually equal to earning, if you think about it. 2, you can sell to customers if you want to, and you make a profit on them if you sell to them. 3, build a team of promoters, because whatever they use or they sell to customers form part of your turnover as well. Similar to these big franchises in the world, the head office gets money from all the shops that are part of the franchise system. Same here. Same idea. Earn on the whole team, not only your own effort. I mean, I own a private school. I earn on the effort of my teachers. I don't teach all the children myself. That's not possible. Okay? I'll never earn a lot of money that way. But because of my teachers working for me, I earn something on their effort as well. Same principle in this business. Now, let me show you how it works. Let's say for own use, you use in rands, let's say 5,000 rands worth of products. You save, give it like 700 rand, 800 rand, whatever, depending on what you buy. Your team, let's say the team makes a turnover 60,000 rand, and let's say you earn a 10% bonus on that. And you also sell to some customers, let's say 500 rand, and you earn 800, 900 rand profit on that. Now, what does it all add up to? Your total turnover is now 70,000. Take note, in other words, it's the 5,000 rand that you use yourself. It's a 60,000 rand turnover of your promoters, plus the 5,000 rand you sell to customers. Gives you 70,000 rand turnover. Your bonus will be more than 6,000. This is just to give you an idea of the principle. Okay? So here's your estimated income, plus 6,900 rand. Okay? That is excluding the saving you've made already as well. You actually will make much more than this. This is just the principle I'm showing you here. So step 1, use the products and save money. Step 2, get education support, learn and grow. Now this is fantastic. You have support. You're not on your own. I mean, when I went to university to study as a teacher, I first had to study for 4 years before I could actually teach. Here, you can actually start earning money from day one and get training while you learn. And you start earning while you learn. Third step, share the business. Others, build a team of promoters, people that are minded just like you to want to make a better income for themselves. And 4, share the products on which you can earn a profit and a bit of bonus as well. The first 3 obviously must be your focus, because that's where the big money comes in. To earn money on other people's effort is really wise and clever. I just want to tell you something, a little secret. Even if you join 20 years or 30 years after another person, if you work smart and wise and really put your effort in here, you can actually earn more. Yes, you can earn more than the other guy that's been in it 20 or 30 years already, which is fair. In my school, my teachers can never earn more than me. Ha, no ways. Okay? But here, it doesn't work like that. You can earn more than the other guy that got you involved.
I am Potlano Judith Pila. I am married and blessed with 4 daughters, 2 sons, and 2 grandchildren. I am a teacher by profession. As a teacher, I was financially stressed, and this had a negative impact on my health. I joined on a part-time basis because I wanted to improve my health, and I also wanted financial freedom. Through the wonderful products, I got my chronic asthma under control, and today I'm no longer on inhalers. My family has also benefited from these products. I also experienced financial breakthrough I've been praying for. I'm no longer teaching. I own a beautiful home and have sent all my children to private schools. As a teacher, I would never have been able to travel abroad. But through this business, I've been to Hong Kong, I've been to Dubai, and earlier this year, we went on a vacation to a beautiful holiday resort at George. And next year, we'll be going to Prague. None of this would have been possible without my wonderful team. And I want to thank them for the team spirit and would like to encourage them to focus on the business so as to achieve their dreams.
Now, let's quickly show you why it makes sense to actually use the products. I already gave examples about health. Okay, it makes sense to use the products for better health. But let's look at some non-toxic cleaning products. Also better for your health, but also better for your wallet. Replaces toxic cleaning products you buy in the shops. Get the dangerous stuff out for the health of your family. Now, here's a product. Let's call it Super Clean for this example's sake. Okay, but this one bottle replaces your all-purpose cleaner, window cleaner, a pre-wash, a floor cleaner, a toilet cleaner, and an oven cleaner. Then it shows you also 1 liter concentrate gives you 22 spray bottles. Each spray bottle is a half a liter. So you get 11 liters on average from one bottle. 11 liters from one bottle. And you don't have to buy 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different cleaning products and keep it in your kitchen. Also, if a child will drink this, nothing will happen to the child. Take note here. Those on the left from the shop worked out at the prices I did, a comparison I did here in South Africa, 224 rands for about 3.75 liters of product, then an average about 60 rand per liter. This product worked out less than 29 rand per liter for equivalent strength. Take note, 116 rand, almost half price. And this is at retail price. If you register as promoter, you'll get it even cheaper. Another one, liquid soap. 1 bottle of liquid soap will replace all those. And take note, 1 bottle will give you 70 small bottles of cleaning product, and each bottle is 350 mils. In other words, you get 6 liters from a liter bottle. It replaces those dishwashing liquid, dog shampoo, and body wash. Take note, in the shops, those 3 would have cost me 234 rand for 1.65 liters, whereas in this case, only 89 rand for the same amount at less than 54 rand a liter. Again, this is now retail price, not promoter price. This is a summary of what I've shown you. Okay, a summary. And it's disgusting. People waste money on toxic products while there is a cheaper option that's safe. Same cleaning power, far less cost. Supermarket products, 495. Non-toxic products, less than half. It's shocking that people can be ripped off in the shops and they're happy about it. And if you're a promoter, that 205 would become less, something like 150 or 160 rand. a third of what people buy for what people pay in the shops. So why? Because other people save money and not you. That's a big saving. Let's add another example. Dettol in the shops will cost you more than 100 Rand a litre. Our SABS tested product works out to less than 28 Rand a litre. Hospital strength, SABS tested, certified. Why pay more? Make your own comparison. I challenge you. Make your own comparison and you see you will save. Let's talk about supplements very quickly. A typical calcium magnesium supplement in the shops contains calcium carbonate or dolomite. Absorption is less than 10%. 100 magnesium in a calcium, 100 milligram calcium in a pill means less than 10 milligrams of it exactly is absorbed. That means, take note, you need 8 of those to get to one of these on the right hand side. Actually more than 8. Okay? The brand we use, 84% absorption, 100 milligram calcium gives you 84 milligrams calcium absorbed. One tablet does a job, costs about 3 Rand a tablet versus more than 8 Rand for if you want to get the equivalent strength. Now, which one is actually cheaper now? The cheaper is not cheaper. And then I'm not even talking about the risk the cheaper one gives you of kidney stones and other problems. Help make the world a happier and a healthier place. Help protect your families from dangerous supplements. Help people enjoy healthier lives. Help people use cleaning products that are non-toxic. And it may even benefit you financially. That's for you to decide. Contact the person who invited you or showed you this video. Let's talk. Thank you.